What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree snow globe. For this DIY, you're gonna need a Dollar Tree snow globe. It's a plastic container, some glitter, a little bitty Christmas tree, a Hot Wheels car truck, E6000, some fake snow, and some glycerin. So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, the first step, or first couple of steps, I should say, is, of course, remove your truck or whatever vehicle that you chose out of the packaging. Take your little Christmas tree, and we're going to glue it to our truck. Now, I do suggest using the E6000 throughout the whole process, only because we're going to add water, and I'm not sure if hot glue will actually hold the Christmas tree in place. So I'm not even trusting it. So I'm going to apply the E6000 to my Christmas tree. Next, after that dries, you're going to remove the little, I guess, kind of like a suction cup from your container. I'm going to take this out just for, well, I can show y'all what I'm going to do with the truck, because I'm going to have to do it overnight. And I'm going to apply E6000 right here and back here. Because the opening is so narrow, it's not going to allow me to do that and then, put it on there. It may do that. Let me see. Nope. I ain't taking no chance. So we're going to have to glue the truck inside like that once you apply the glue in there. And then we'll put the water. But those are the first two steps. We're gonna have the Christmas tree in there with the glue, and then we're gonna put glue on the truck so it can stay in place inside our globe. So I'll be back with the finished results on that process. Okay, guys. The truck is secure in there. Now, I did get like a little bit of glue right here. But hey, it is what it is. Because once you put the glue on and try to maneuver the truck in there, you got to be super duper uber careful. And that's how the back looks. So I did okay in the back. And then the tree, of course, is secured in there too. And this is the front. So it's in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is, this is optional, but even though when you put your fake snow in there, it's going to settle at the bottom, but when you shake it, I don't know exactly how this going to look, so I'm going to already put some used styrofoam on there. You probably could use your whatever styrofoam snow that you're going to use, the fake snow you're going to use. You could probably put that in it, put this at the bottom as well if you want to, but I thought this would be harder. So I said, no, I don't got time for all that. So I'm just going to glue these little pieces on there. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So my fake little snow is on my stopper thingamajiggy. And so now I'm going to add my water and my glycerin. Now, they said do not add too much glycerin. And so I don't know what it is not enough. I did not find one that had the exact measurements, but I'm going to keep it 100. I really didn't look that hard. So it's going to be a test and trial, because they say if you put too much glycerin in it, that it will cause the glitter or your things to sink to the bottom or some mess. So we're just going to trial and error. So this is my water, and I'm just going to fill it up. Oh my God. I really don't even know how much water either. I think enough just to fill that bad boy. And so then, this glycerin bottle, as y'all can tell, look like from the 1970s. So I'm just going to assume it's still good. And I think that's about enough. Really don't know. And I'm going to take my glitter. My glitter. gonna put it in the pouring side. And that's enough. You don't want too much of anything. You know what? I should have opened this up. I'm finna just open this. And I can't hold this and open it, obviously. There's something wrong with me. I should have had it open. So, yeah. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to just take my little fake snow and I'll put some mugs in there. I'm not going to put that much. But I want glitter in. God, if y'all just saw what happened, you would cry for me. Father, why? Why, Jesus? Not too bad, but still, why, Lord? Okay, anyway. So we got our fake snow and our glitter in this bad boy. And we're going to put this Jones, the stopper, in it. Oh, make sure, Lord have mercy. Am I jacking it up? Make sure it is in it, because you don't want no form of leakage. I don't give a monkey. Make sure that bad boy is closed. Is it closed? Why it look like it is leaning, guys? Or is it just my eyes? Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it was just my eyes. I had to make sure. So then you got your stopper in there, and then you close that bad boy up. And now you got your little water globe. I need more glitter, guys. Why is everything stuck to the top? See, y'all better be glad I keep it 100 with you guys. This bad boy is not working. So you know what that means? Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know what that means. Why that look weird? The glitter's working. That fake snow ain't working. So I'm gonna dump that bad boy out. Take the fake snow out and just add more glitter. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. So don't use that fake snow. It's gonna look like that. So I don't know what's causing it. Cause it ain't falling at all. Don't y'all love my channel? Okay, I'm back, guys, and this is my finished product. Now, guys, I would recommend to use maybe, I think finally, or something else. Anyway, I would recommend to use maybe a teaspoon of glycerin. You might have to do trial and error like me, because I don't know if y'all use this exact same container. I wouldn't use that much glycerin. You start off with a teaspoon of glycerin and go from there, because I think that should be enough to allow your glitter to go. Because I see that it looked like a little, maybe I put too much in it. I'm going to read up some more about it, guys. But the good thing about it, you can just pour it out now. You aren't wasting your glitter because you can't reuse that bad boy, but y'all, overall, I like the way it turned out. And I still have like a few little pieces. And you know what? You don't have to add that fake snow, because you're not going to even be able to see that bad boy. I thought you was going to be able to see it. No, you're not, okay? So you don't have to worry about doing anything at the bottom. Just leave it blank. And you'll have an awesome little snow globe. So, that's it and that's all, I guess. Hey, get it, snow globe. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday. Who want to come help me clean up this mess? Lord, why? Why? And why? Lord help me.